Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter number 42, letter writing 2. Students, in previous class you read about personal letters or informal letters. And today in this chapter you will read about formal letters. What are formal letters? So students, I have written formal letters are those which we write to business companies, officers, newspapers, etc. Students, formal letters are those which we write to business firms, business companies, newspapers, officers. Okay? So today we will know the format of formal letter. Okay? Now see the format. Now see the format. Format of formal letter. Students, firstly we write sender's address. Sender's address. Then second one is date. Third one is receiver's address. Receiver's address. Fourth one is subject. Fifth one is greeting or salutation. Sixth one is body of the letter. Seventh one is complimentary clause. And eighth one is name or signature. Name or signature. Students, this is the format of formal letters. Firstly, we write sender's address. Sender's address means our own address. If you are writing the letter, then you will write your own address. I had told you that in sender address, when we start writing our own address, firstly we write the house number, then street name or colony name. After that we write city or town, and then we write our postal code. So it will be sender address. Then we write date. Just below the sender address we write date. Below date we write receiver's address. Receiver's address means the person to whom we are writing the letter. The person to whom we are addressing the letter. So it will be receiver's address. Students, in receiver's address, if the name is given, firstly we write the name. If the name is not given, we write the designation of that person. For example, the principal, the chief medical officer, the district magistrate. So in this way, we write the receiver's address. Then we write the subject, about what thing we are writing the letter. Suppose you are writing a letter for 2 days leave. So here subject you will write leave for 2 days. You are writing a letter for some books. You have to order. You have to place an order for some books. So you will write in subject placing an order for books. So subject is very compulsory, and after subject we write greeting or salutation. Dear sir, dear madam. Okay? If you are writing individually to anyone, dear sir, dear madam. If in address you have written Messrs. Mohan and Company, So there you will write dear sirs. But if you are writing the letter to the manager of the company individually, then you will write dear sir. After that, body of the letter, you will describe all the things in the body. Then complimentary clause. Complimentary clause, yours faithfully. It is very common for formal letter. Yours faithfully or yours truly also. We can write yours truly when we write the letter to editor, and after that we write our name or signature. After complimentary clause, just below the complimentary clause, we will write our name, you will write your name, or you will put your signature. So this is the format of formal letter: sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, greeting or salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and name or signature. Okay, students, now see the example. Exercise is given at page number 166. First letter: write a letter to your principal, headmaster or headmistress requesting a day's leave. So students, I have written the letter here. Just see. 56 Banshi Bazar, Gazipur 233001. It means it's the sender address, it's your address, then date. After that, the principal, Shafaz Public School, Gazipur. Subject: leave of absence for a day. Salutation: dear madam, most respectfully, I beg to say that my mother is suffering from fever, so I cannot attend the class. Here students, you can write I cannot attend the class on 8th July 2021. I shall be grateful if you are kind enough to grant me leave of absence for a day. On which day you need the leave? 8th July 2021. Yours faithfully, Ramesh, class 6 G. Students, here suffering from fever, so I cannot attend the class on 8th July, you can write. Okay, so in this way you will write this one in your notebook. This example, this exercise, the letter first you will write in your notebook. Okay, now see the third letter which is given in your book. Write a letter to a bookseller ordering books. 50 Mr. Bazar, Gazipur 233001. Date 7 July 2021. Mehta Bookseller, Main Road, Patna. Subject: placing an order for books. Dear sir, I shall be highly obliged if you will send me one copy of each of the following books by courier as early as possible. The list are The Treasure Island, Ashton's Hindi-English Dictionary, English Dialects by H. Martin. My address is mentioned above. Yours faithfully, Ramakant. So in this way, students, you will write these two letters in your notebook, and the remaining two you will do as homework. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.